YouTube tags. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos. Now YouTube tags are so important in your YouTube videos, and they help your videos rank and get the viewership that you need. Now leading research on YouTube and the search engine optimization and keyword research, HubSpot, says this about YouTube tags. So HubSpot says, why are YouTube tags important? And they say, and I quote, YouTube tags function to help YouTube grasp your video's content and context. This way, YouTube can understand your video's topic and categories and associate it with similar content, which can amplify your video's reach. So the tags of videos on YouTube are so important, and in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to add these tags. Okay, so we are here on YouTube. So this is what you first do. Now always locate where the camera sign with the plus sign inside it is. So the camera symbol here, let's click on that, and of course you click on upload video. Okay, then when you go through that, now it's very simple. It's going to load, and then of course the first thing you have to do before you put in your tags, you have to upload a video on YouTube. YouTube won't allow you to you don't reach where the tags are until you upload a video on YouTube. So you can only select here, or just or if this is, for example, this is my video, you can just drag and drop it there like that, and voila, you have it, your video on YouTube. So this is where actually our tags are. Now of course you're going to fill these details, title and blah blah blah, like that, description, thumbnails. So just scroll down, just scroll down, just scroll down, just scroll down. Then where you see certain more options, then click on more options there, and then now you see tags. Okay, so this is where you add your tags. So if this video, say for example, is about camera, then and one of your tags was camera, just say camera like that. Camera, and then you can let's click the enter button like that. You've added your first tag. Say you are doing videos on cameras for YouTube like that. Then just click on enter, and then it just populates for you the tags. So of course YouTube allows you to put 500 words in here. I think it should be 500 characters in here about tags. So it means you can add as much tags as you can until you reach a maximum of 500 characters. So basically that's how you just add tags on YouTube. It's so simple. What I normally do, what I prefer to do, and most YouTubers do, is they always write their tags in advance, because remember you have to go and search for those keywords, search for those tags on YouTube, and then write them down somewhere. And then now it's a matter of copy and pasting on the tags, the dialog box on YouTube. So what YouTubers do is, for example, here I just had a couple of tags and I wrote them down. And then what you do, you want to separate each tag with a comma. Okay, so you can see at the end of every tag here, I separated with a comma, such that when I copy this, let me just see if I copy this and paste it over to YouTube, YouTube understand that this tag starts from, for example, this first one starts from here and ends at where the comma is. So the comma is the separator between one tag and the next tag. So YouTube understand that the comma marks the end of one tag and the beginning of another tag. So once you have searched for all your tags that you want properly, and you've listed them somewhere like this, just copy that, and then come over to YouTube where the tags are, and then if you paste, look at that. Of course, YouTube understands that a comma is the beginning or end of the end of the beginning of tags, and YouTube does populate all your tags for you. Now, I hope you got some value out of this, and if you have, please click the subscription button so that we may continue providing you more value about YouTube and ClickFunnels. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment with a 1 if you got some value. Till next time, bye bye.